Thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring this video.
Look who I ran into in the same outfit. Okay. The store is like more like a boutique. Even though it's not a boutique, it's still just a general Salvation. This is cute. Feels like it's linen. Oh, 100% cotton. That's nice, but I don't need it. But I don't like that. I like just like rows of clothes. It feels more like a normal store. So I guess if you weren't used to thrifting, this would be a good one to come to. But I like to just hone in on an entire row and then go crazy. This one tends to have like nicer brands. And I know I won't be coming here for a long time when I have my baby. So we're here now. These are cute. Like perfect style. They look too small. And they're patent leather, which I don't love. They're $7. What is the brand? Oh, Cole Haan. This from outside. It's Faded Glory. Like, I don't know why I like these. Like boho tops. They feel so old to me. $6.99. Definitely don't need it, and I don't even know if I'd wear it. I'm looking for like, I really want a Tang style jacket. I know that's so basic. What is this? That's kind of cool. I do like this store because there's so many mirrors to put my phone onto. Like, wouldn't that be cute? $6.99, size small. I don't know why I like it. It's just kind of like different. I'm going to put it in because I was going to say sometimes you just have to break the seal and pick something up. I'm happy Amanda's here because, well, not happy because she's going to find stuff, but happy because I can ask her for her haul after. And her sister Ashlyn is here, and they're here with Amanda's daughter Gemma. And she asked immediately, where's Lucy? Lucy's at my mom's today. So I could do this. Princess Polly. I actually love these. But I will not be getting it. I think it's too short. It looks really short. I know it's a dress, but it's in the top section. That's how short it is. That could be nice, but I won't wear it. This is something I was looking for in the winter months. I love like a furry sweater. This one's $8.99. What's Poppy on? This color, but this is such a cute little layering piece. I think these are cute, but I don't think I'd ever wear them. Talked about ostrich fur. This one just has it on the sleeves, but it's still like such a cute touch. I'd want it on the neck too if I were to get it. But then this is really cute. It's from the brand. Oh, it's BCBG. I always love BCBG. It's like a double knit sweater. Kind of want to try this on, or I'm gonna make Amanda try it on because it would fit her. But the double button's so cute and trendy right now. They have really good stuff. I'm panicking. Amanda's getting it to it before me. It's like when you go into the store, the thrift, and you see a cool girl already there. It's my best friend, and I know she's really good at thrifting, so it's extra scary. This is so cute. Ann Taylor suede. Or velvet, not suede. Turtleneck dress. Recently got something so similar to this, so I'll be leaving it, but I love these little tops. Again, these like boho peasant style tops I always like. I should get out of sweaters because I really don't need them. This was calling to me. It's kind of weird, but it's just like such a nice cut. $5 new with tags. What is Daisy Fuentes? It's really soft, but feels like straight polyester. I love this top. $8.99 Banana Republic. Very cute. This one's cute too. Kind of looks old lady, but it could be cute. I feel like this is borderline ugly. Not that color. But it looks like something that would be on Pinterest and like somebody would style it so cute. I just don't think that person's me. Like, why do I like it? Like the big floret. I'm gonna grab it and be kooky. It could be because I'm pregnant and losing my mind. This is another one, but imagine it with like butter yellow. I don't love the tulle underneath, but I could always cut that out. But there's something about like the color and the texture of it I think could be so cute. It's Bisou Bisou. $4.99. I'm gonna grab it and go through everything at the end, obviously. But then look at all these Calvin Klein jackets. 1, 2, 3. Too small for me, but they're all so cute. And then this is adorable. Like all the layering I've been talking about with textures. I love the tassels, I love the knit, and it's Banana Republic, I think. This is random, but $3.99. It's like a little hot plate. Kind of like that. I might get it. This bag's $14, which is cute too. I like the color. Don't need it. This is such a basic piece, but I feel like it could be so cute. Especially for color blocking. Originally from Loft, $6.99 for like all polyester. No thank you, but I like the color. Fun jackets. Tudor Court. That one's fun. And this one's fun. Too big for like what I want. I want like a very fitted jacket right now. Can you even hear me? I should have asked that in the first clip I did of you. It might be too like slouchy.
You're thinking like button it.
Oh no, that's cute. It looks good on you. Do you want it?
No, not if you're gonna wear it. Just give it to me when you're done with it.
Well, take it now and then, because I can't wear it. It's really cute on you.
I'll need to watch the video.
Yeah, I think it looks really cute. Yeah, I like that. Okay.
Might hear me out, please. But I feel like
It's literally not a hear me out at
right?
all. Yeah, it's cute.
Like, I got this
That's
for,
all you wear
I got
too.
this for my sister.
Aww, that's
I
cute.
just like won't wear it, but she'll wear it.
I love that. I love the purple.
Right? I picked this out for her too. Because I feel like
That's cute.
the tucked in white shirt.
So cute. And like
That's what
black
she's
knee-high
getting.
boots.
Yeah, she found this Calvin Klein button up. It's like perfect.
That's really cute.
And I found this for me, isn't it?
That's so
It
good.
actually might be a little bit big on me. So if it is, I'll just give it to you for postpartum. Because I feel like it'll fit, right?
Yeah, 100%. I mean, it won't fit now.
So I'll have to... It's stretchy too. So like,
Yeah.
if you want to take this after you have the baby, you can take it. They're cute. I see the style it once. I have more.
That's
I
cute.
know, because I'm going to California. I need like a modest.
Oh yeah,
swim top.
I love
So I feel like
it.
that's perfect. And then
Oh my god, you got a lot.
there's so much. Oh, I'm doing Ashland's too. Oh, sorry. Ashland. Oh,
Is
I'm
that
getting
the
this one, right? Yeah. This
That's
is
so
not the
cute.
skirt, but it's cute, right?
It looks cute with what you have on right now.
Yeah, right, with boots. And then Ashland's getting this, but we're like, you can tell we watched the Carolyn show. And then I got this for Gemma.
That's so
And
cute.
then
Those are
Ashland's
cute.
Cute, right?
Perfect. It's not here. That other skirt.
We got it here, but I don't know where it is.
Before we get any further into this video, I wanted to say thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring. You guys already know I've been using Squarespace since college. It was the first place I ever designed a website and the last place I'll ever design a website. I've used it as a portfolio when job searching. I've used it as a blog for writing and photography, and I've even used it as an online store, which I think is my favorite way. I know a lot of us resell our clothes, and it's actually so easy to start your own Squarespace website to do this, and cutting out the middleman and all those extra fees that other platforms take out. You can use your Squarespace store to sell products. Like in my case, I've sold merch or my clothes, but you can also use it for services or both. It gives you everything you need to grow your business and get paid all in one place. There's easy online payments and built-in tools for shipping, inventory, and fulfillment. You can simplify your workflow and give customers a seamless shopping experience. There's also expanded global shipping costs. You can automatically calculate the shipping cost using real-time rates from local carriers based on the destination, size, and weight of each order. It eliminates manual calculations and avoids over or undercharging customers. This is the secret to cutting out the middleman, because this was something that scared me and was impossible to figure out on my own, and Squarespace makes it easy. You can also use your Squarespace to sell content and create member-only content for your community. Monetize your content by selling online courses, videos, and memberships. You simply set the price and choose whether you want it to be a one-time fee or a subscription for access. All my family members use Squarespace. Anytime somebody needs a website, I tell them to use Squarespace. If you feel like you need a place for your content or your resume, your clothing, anything to live, Squarespace is the place for you. Head to squarespace.com/LanieOzark to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain using code LanieOzark. Thank you again to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Let's get into the rest of it.
I feel like you can't see it. It's such a good shape though. I have something pretty similar. It's too big and it's really heavy. And I have something so similar, but this would be cute for layering all the texture. The limited, but I'm not getting it. This is like a weird jacket, but I just like the color and the texture of it again. I would need to try it on, I think. And I'm not gonna make Amanda try anything else on. But it's only $4.99, but it'll just be way too small for way too long. But I really like it, again, for like color blocking. Can you tell I like these style of jackets? This one's too big. But the butter yellow is so cute, and it's almost like a shimmery. It's got 3/4 length sleeves. I really love it. But I don't like that gap. This would need to touch. I don't know why this is $8.99. But I love the pattern of it. With like a yellow midi skirt or mini skirt. It's kind of crazy. I want to grab it. I always love these kind of crop tops. But I think I would only wear this one as like a cover up because it's so holy. But with jeans, it's so cute. Or under overalls. I just feel like I have things that are too similar. These are so beautiful. I want to get it. It's a really cool jacket. I would never wear it. That clasp is really pretty. Christopher and Banks. I really like that. I was thinking so similar to it that I don't think I need it. It is really, really cute. I've never seen buttons like that. That's probably like I've been looking for something exactly like this, but I don't like how thin the thread is. I think I'd want it a little bit thicker. But it's basically like a filet crochet. I think it's too big. It needs to be a little smaller. It's cute and very pretty, but $6. What is that? 99? I don't know why it'd be 77. There's so many at this thrift. $6.99 or size 0, so lucky if ever. Not lucky, but I mean if I bought them. So cute. We finished. I'll show you everything I got. Starting this with this weird cat. This is such something that my daughter will like. And I have this cat, but it has wings and it hangs from the ceiling, and I've had it my whole life, and I used to be really scared of it, but now I like it. It's in my daughter's room, and there's just something about this guy that I know she'll like him, and we're gonna get that. I also got this. I need to scrub it. $3.99, but I think it's cute. I got something from my mother. I showed Amanda this piece and she said, if anyone can style it, it's you, which normally means it's ugly. But I don't really care. I want to do a whole video of everything I thrifted when I was pregnant that I couldn't try on. I think will be funny, so we'll see that. This would fit now, honestly. This is a really nice, big, light, flouncy peasant top. I think with a bold mini skirt or midi skirt, it'd really cute. I like the chiffon of it. Obviously more for spring and summer. This, Amanda said she loved. It'd be good for breastfeeding. It's like just a basic that has something a little extra to it. I'm excited about it. Amanda said she picked this up the other day, mostly because of the brand, which is why I picked it up too. It's Bizu Bizu, which is always so cute, but I have a vision for this as well. Then I got my mama shirt, which I'll leave there. And then the little shirt Amanda tried on, that's BCBG. I always love BCBG with the double buttons. So I can't try things on yet. We have to wait. But I have like a whole thrift haul compilation. I want this guy to like sit, this little guy, to just sit in my car. He's so silly. He's just wood also, so he's so light. I feel like I could put a sticker on his butt. Like Sunny Angel Who. Why do I like this cat so much? The checkout lady said she thinks he has bad voodoo. I think he has great voodoo. I love him. She didn't understand. I think trying all this stuff on is going to be so fun when I finally can. Probably not immediately postpartum because it takes a little bit of time, but it'll be like a second haul, a second Christmas. I have to go through the donations now and get all this stuff out of my trunk because I'm finally here and can do it. But thanks for watching this video. Oh my god, also look how cute this is. This is just like a little keychain from Cezanne, but a compact mirror is so slept on, especially because I don't carry my iPhone with me normally. I'm filming on it right now because I knew I was coming here to film, but there's no way to like look at yourself in this, like kind of with the reflection of that, but to touch up lip gloss or like check your teeth. Isn't that cute? A compact mirror slept on. That's not for me. But okay, that's it. I love you guys up so much. I'll see you in a few days. Bye.